How to sign up for DeepSeek AI account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for DeepSeek AI account. DeepSeek AI is a Chinese AI platform known for its advanced models in coding, mathematics and reasoning. Here's how you can create an account on DeepSeek AI. First of all, ensure that you have already downloaded the authentic DeepSeek AI application on your mobile device. Now once you have done that, open the application on your mobile device, and here if you are opening it for the first time, you may need to agree to the terms and conditions of DeepSeek. Once doing that, you will be taken to this login interface. Here you will be able to locate the sign up option just below the login button at the right side. Simply tap on it, and then in this page, now you will need to fill in all of these details. Tap on the first box and enter your email address in this field. After that, tap on the second box and then there create a strong password for your account. Make sure your password is at least 8 characters. Once after entering the password, now you will need to enter the same password in the third box in order to confirm. Tap on the box and enter the same password. Now after entering the password, you will need to tap on the send code button right here, and then a pop-up will appear. Here you will need to solve this puzzle, and after successful verification of the puzzle, a code will be sent to your email address. You will need to wait for the code, and once you receive the code, you will need to enter in this code box at the left side. Once after entering the code, tap on the little circle at the bottom to confirm that you have read, consent and agree to the terms and conditions of DeepSeek. Now after doing that, simply tap on the sign up button right here, and then you will see you have successfully created an account on DeepSeek. Now you will be able to use the application. So by following these steps, you should be able to sign up for DeepSeek AI account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.